Hey guys, I'm in the loft of the tiny house. Just thought I'd show you the view from the window that I made. It's a window that will close back in like that or drop down like that, and that gives you an idea. The bed's right here. We still haven't clad the inside, but it gives you an idea of what it's going to be like. And that's the view from the bed. So you've got a nice bit of detail with the truss work, the exposed beams, and then you've got a nice little window down there for some view out. Yeah, so where are you, Haley? I'll give you the camera. There you go. Yeah, so yeah, this is a loft, and I'll be building some stairs that'll double as a bit of cabinetry for storage, and that'll come down there, down the side, out from the wall. So yeah, we can just come down for now, just down the ladder. The video got cut out before because I ran out of storage. I've got some more storage now. So yeah, we just insulated in the cavity. So between the well, you've got basically on that side there, as you see the weatherboards, and we just put a breathable isolation membrane in, and then we've just put in our insulation, and then we'll clad over the top of that. We'll glue and screw, and we'll just cut all around all the windows. We might put architraves on. I'm going to come to that when we get to it. Yeah, and then we've got a fan that goes in there. I've pre-wired it in, and that'll be a ceiling fan kind of up in between those two trusses. I'll get a 12 volt ceiling fan, so that'll give it even more ventilation. So yeah, I'm pretty happy so far with it. It's been about 30 days, so I'm pretty happy with the speed. I've been working pretty hard. Yeah, that's about it.